A new lawsuit accused Sherwin-Williams of releasing unreasonable noxious odors from its coatings manufacturing facility in Rochester, Pennsylvania. The complaint alleges damages that exceed $5 million and demands a trial by jury. Court documents stated the facility makes coatings for packaging materials that it delivers to customers, distributors, and blending sites. According to the EPA, coating formulation at plants like this generally involves 4 major steps, which include preassembly and premix, pigment grinding or milling, product finishing, and product filling. The lawsuit acknowledged that the solvents used in these processes can emit hazardous air pollutants. However, it pointed to a condition in a Sherwin-Williams permit that limits the company's volatile organic compound emissions. The condition prohibits the malodors from being detectable beyond the property line. Sherwin-Williams reportedly received notices of violations from the Pennsylvania Department of Environmental Quality regarding the odors in April 2022, April 2023, January 2026, and March 2026. The January NOV said the plant failed to install a thermal oxidizer and did not perform required stack testing on its scrubbers. One plaintiff complained that she could smell the fumes inside her home even with the windows closed, while another described the odor as a sweet smell that leaves an aftertaste. The lawsuit also reported symptoms from putative class members that included upset stomachs and headaches. One putative class member alleged that the odor issue did not exist when Valspar owned the facility. Sherwin-Williams acquired Valspar in 2017. Sherwin-Williams has not responded to IAN's request for comment. I'm Nolan Beilstein. This is Manufacturing Now.